All right, good morning, gang. This is Steve from Pal Work Adventures. When you pal work, finish work, you go look for an adventure. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Buttercup Off Road winch mount for the 23 Bronco or 21 and above Bronco. And I just want to tell you, it is awesome. Now I want to tell you about the winch mount. Right now I've got a Badlands 12,000 pound winch with the synthetic rope on it. But look how cool this thing looks. Here's the profile of it. And this thing comes with everything you need. It comes with a bull bar. It comes with the camera relocation. And it comes with all the wiring you need to relocate that camera, all in one package. Hey guys, they also come with these sturdy mounts to mount your fancy little D-rings right here. Anyway, they're sturdy. And the nice thing about the camera relocation, I've had another bumper that we used, and we used a relocation relocated the camera. One thing about this camera mount, it doesn't distort the image when you're looking at it inside the cab. Also, the nice thing about this, it doesn't affect the adaptive cruise control. And the adaptive cruise control works like it came from the factory. But here's the profile of this thing. It doesn't stick out very far, and this thing looks really good. I've added a light bar to the bull bar, and it just fits just enough, but this is an outstanding product. I like it. All right, gang, this is Steve from Pal Work Adventures, where you're finished work, you go look for an adventure. Thanks for joining me today. I'd like to thank all my people that support my channel, my subscribers. If you like this, like and subscribe, and that helps out my channel. But until next time, go look for an adventure. If you're looking for a winch bumper mount for a 21 and above Bronco, go check them out from Buttercup Off Road. All right, till next time, peace.